Hello Tamanoa, I hope you had a great weekend. The weather was a bit up and down, there was a bit of rain and there was a bit of sun, so I hope you got outside to play in your garden. I was able to go for a run, but every time I went for a run I got caught in the rain. I had a bit of a bad luck this weekend with the weather, but oh well. Now today we're going to do some counting with dinosaur footprints. And in the home learning grid, I don't know if you've looked at it yet, but there's an activity that says that you can cut and make your own dinosaur footprints. So then you can count on or forwards and backwards with them. Now I'm going to do from 1 to 20, but you can do higher if you want to. So I'm going to put my laptop down here. Now hopefully you can still see the footprints, what I've made. So I'm first going to practice counting backwards. So I'm going to start from 20. You can see my lovely slippers and stomp like a dinosaur and count backwards. So I'm on 20 and I'm going backwards. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. I even done a 0. Now we've been doing lots of counting backwards at school. We've been counting backwards outside with chalk numbers, and we've been counting backwards when we do the roll. So you can practice your counting backwards with these numbers and footprints. Now another game you could play is where you could ask someone in your bubble to help you play and count on from a number. I'm going to call it stomp on from a number, like a dinosaur. So someone in your bubble might choose a number. They might choose number 7. Number 7. Let's count on from 7, or let's stomp on like a dinosaur. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then you could take turns. You could tell the person to count or stomp on from a number, like number 11. Can you count and stomp on like a dinosaur from the number 11? So you find 11 and then you stomp on. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you can keep playing that together. Now another game which you can play together is just making it into a board game. So you need a toy each. So I'm going to use my little friends. Is that Mr. Peter Rabbit there? Yes. Hello, children. And here's Greedy Cat. Hello, children. And you've got to all start on 0. Now, there can be more than 2 players. It doesn't have to just be 2. And you need a dice. So I took this dice out of a board game that we like to play with my housemates. So I'm going to pretend that I'm playing with someone. So I'll let Peter Rabbit go first. I'm rolling for you, Peter Rabbit. 1. He's landed on number 1, so he's going to hop to number 1 from 0. And then I'm going to roll for Greedy Cat. Oh, she's got number 2. Oh, we're not getting very high numbers here. 1, 2. 1 again for Peter Rabbit. Oh dear. Hop. For Greedy Cat, she's got 3. So she's got to hop on. She's got to count on from 2 with 3. I bet some of you could work that out. She's on 2 and she's counting on 3. You can pause the video and figure that out now. 1, 2, 3. And let's do Peter Rabbit. He's got 6. So Peter Rabbit is on 1 and he's got to count on 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He's on number 7. Let's do another one for Greedy Cat. He's on 4, I think he was on. So she's on 4 and she's got to count on 6. I bet if you pause the video you could work that out, where she'll be. 4, count on 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She's landed on number 10. So the winner is the person who gets their animal or toy to 20, or whatever number your number line goes to. So that's a few different ways there to count forwards and backwards or counting on. So have a great time doing that, children. and please share your lovely learning to your hero accounts. I would love to see all your lovely board games, and I bet you could decorate your dinosaur footprints and make them look really cool. So have a great time doing that.